Cold weather gear. Do you wear it? How much of it do you wear? Here's my thoughts on it. Welcome to the channel. It's Roy. It is November 7th. It's a Monday. I took the day off. Just a ride. I was editing videos earlier and it's a nice day. It's 67 degrees, so I'm out for a ride. Get the rides in when you can. So, cold weather gear. Do you wear it? And how much do you wear? Let's get into that. Alright, hopefully you can hear me. It's a little windy out here today. So I know there's all different kinds of cold weather gear. Alright, you got your gloves. You can have battery operated ones where the gloves go in the, same thing with vests. You could have a vest, a jacket, and you know, and then they can have a battery put in here, in the pocket, inside pocket, or something like that. I'm not too familiar with cold weather gear because I don't wear it. I'm sure there's pants, stuff, and you can also get the kind that plug in. Use your little pigtail here on your bike, or some of them have some kind of proprietary plug-in that you can plug into your dim socket or your cigarette lighter freaking plug there, whatever. I know a few people have Motovloggers have done some reviews of the Kemimoto stuff lately. So, do you guys wear heated gear, cold weather gear, heated gear, whatever? Do you wear the whole shebang? Or do you just wear certain things? Let me tell you about me. I don't wear cold weather gear. The most I wear is my coat and gloves. I don't have any heated gear. I don't ride when it's past 50 degrees, lower than 50 degrees, unless I have to. I just don't care for it. I don't like wearing regular gear, so that's why I don't wear heated gear. I don't need to bundle all up into this shit. I don't want to look like the, you know, friggin' Stay Puft Marshmallow Man, you know?
I couldn't help it. It just popped in there.
What just popped in there?
Look! It can't be.
What did you do, Ray? Oh, shit.
It's the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man.
Well, there's something you don't see every day.
But, yes, I understand that you can extend your riding a little bit more by wearing it. Pretty much, you know, I don't know. If it's too cold, I won't enjoy it. And up here in upstate New York, you know, once it snows, I'm not riding. Once they salt the roads, I'm not riding. So, yes. Yes, I could extend it, but, yeah. But, yeah, I don't know. I just don't wear it. Don't care to. I'm not putting anybody down, you know, or not, I don't, you know, not putting saying anything about it. Anybody else that wears it? Go ahead, wear it. It extends your time of riding. I'm just not gonna. That's just my 2 cents on heated gear, cold weather gear. If you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button so you can enjoy all the beautiful and fun content that I bring your way. Hit the bell so you're notified of when I put out the new videos. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. What do you think about heated gear, cold weather gear? Do you wear it? How much do you wear? Let me know in the comments. And I'll talk to you later in my next video. Thanks. Bye.